Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can center an image to your material. So the first thing that you want to do is to of course import your image, and to make things easier, I'm just going to make this rectangle shape right here. And basically in order to center this to your image, you want to first head back to the pointer option. You then want to press Control on your keyboard. That will allow us to select multiple objects. And in here, you want to press and hold click on your canvas and just basically highlight both the image and the object itself. Right after, I'm going to use some additional options. Basically with this one, it will make the selected item the same width. So it will adjust the specific item according to the width right here. Since I want to center my image into my material, I'm just going to click on this option that will allow it to basically form the same width. I'm also going to apply it with the height. And now to finally center the object, you want to click on this option right here that will align vertical or horizontal centers to both your objects. So from here, let's just click on it, and basically it will allow it to basically be centered with the material or the object itself. So that's how easy it is to do. Once again, you just want to click on this specific button. I've just made some minor adjustments using this options right here, but basically from there you are good to go. Now you can adjust this easily after making sure that they are both selected, and that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.